of the Xicots de Vilafranca, who are here trying to make 3x8. They've already made 4x8. Very beautiful when we opened today. Then they have had some difficulties to get the 3 and 8 working. They dismantled on the 10th when they already had we say dossus colochat. So the first level of children were in place. So then there was some hesitation. Now let us see what happens. Not strange that there is a bit of hesitation among the children because they are far up in these towers of 8 levels, and we have a very strong wind today. Possibly slightly less strong than when we started this Diada, not because of Vilafranca, but still much too strong for what is considered ideal when you do these things. It's unfortunately shaking. But they managed to compensate very well, very well. Here we have it. It's crowned. We have a Trescabuit Carregat of Xicots de Vilafranca. So, the Trescabuit Carregat, not Descarregat, so it was assembled but not dismantled. We are in Vilafranca del Penedès, in Catalonia, 2009.